Grow your in-house aligner capability and revenue with iLux Dental Solution. Empowered by AI, the Lux Design opens to begin the aligner design process. With one-click AI, generates the aligner shell. The workflow then moves into LuxFlow, finishing, positioning, layout and support generation in 1 second. Up to 90% fewer support structures with accuracy and reliable print success. And now, the aligner goes to print. After printing, it moves to post-processing with iLux Wash Dental. High-speed cleaning with built-in heating and ultrasonic technology removes residue from microgaps. Automated 2-stage washing ensures precision and safety. Then to Lux Oven Pro, where air convection effectively removes volatile organic compounds and ensures safety. Curing follows an iLux Cure Pro with 360 exposure and multi-frequency, high-intensity light for uniform, precise polymerization. Easy support removal and less polishing. The complete post-processing workflow delivers 100% biosafety, high precision, and future-proof performance, boosting dental practice efficiency drastically.